Our ministry is committed, the staff members are committed to ensure effective, transparent, and accountable social protection delivery. Also, it's helping family to achieve economic independence, increasing the poverty reduction focus through social safety net policy designs and program, and also increase access to basic services among the poor and vulnerable, like access to education, access to healthcare, and other access for the less fortunate among us. The staff members are committed and passionate about delivering to the less fortunate among us, and also our government is also committed. Despite the financial situation that affects us as a country, there is no cut in our social safety net for our people. But despite those two, one of the problems that we have is the issue of capacity among our staff members. So we need assistance in that regard to help train so that they can deliver on those programs that we have within our ministry. Some of the major challenges that we are facing, the issue of juvenile, I guess from breakdown in the whole family life, parents, because of education, because of poverty, you have children not going to school, and when children are frustrated, then they're getting themselves involved in trouble with the law, and that's where we think our whole juvenile justice reform has to come in to help treat those situations and provide a rehabilitative process. And we are in the process of completing our juvenile justice center, which we expect to be completed by July, and then we're looking at staffing and all that. So we will see the realization of that project by October. Full implementation by October of 2014. We didn't have a separate facility for young offenders before now. The laws is already in place, so we will have enactment soon after the completion of that center. Our government is committed to the whole issue of youth development. And when we talk about youth, we're talking on the block youth, stay-home youth, youth that get themselves in conflict with the laws, and physically and other mentally challenged young people. And that is why we have the Imani program. And despite the fact that we have a financial constraint, government in the last budget, we have a large allocation for youth development, where we have the soft skill, which give them the real knowledge, the right attitude towards job and towards living. And there's also on-the-job training for over 2,000 young people at this time. And we are hoping that in the next month or two, another 1,000 young persons will be involved in that program.